It's not what's inside Wednesday. I just wanted to show you. That's for what's inside Wednesday. I'm not allowed to show you. Well, I will show you at the end, but I'll switch it to something. What do you think? I'll switch it to anything that's in here. This. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. Happy 4th of July. Alright, that's, or one of those. What do you think will be inside after I show you in there? Alright, let's show you the kittens. Not really. Hey, little buddy. That's Foot. Oh, that's a little baby Foot. I'm allowed to. Oh my god. Okay. This is gonna be hard grabbing. Wait. Look in there. Oh, one of them are moving. Oh, I woke up. I woke him up. I woke him up. Hey, little buddy. Look at those kittens. Oh! This little guy came to say hi. It's like on my pinky. Oh, you're tired. Little tired guy. Come on, their eyes are open. See? This little guy right here. Will you crawl on me? Or are you gonna crawl back in there? Oh. Oh. I don't want to grow attached to you. Hold on, guys. I gotta pause it. And we're gonna do what's inside Wednesday. Well, what's inside Monday, I think. Is it Monday? I don't know. Uh, yeah, we'll do what's inside Wednesday. Well, we should do what's inside here. Nah. First Wednesday will be, well, I'll show you what's inside there. But, oh, never mind. I took care of the kitten already. Alright, let's show you what's inside. What's inside? What's inside? What's inside? Do you see it? What's inside? What's inside? What's inside? Alright, now that I've shown you, I have to grab it. Alright, and now I show you what it can do. It's not an ordinary harmonica. Well, it looks like one. Oh! Okay. Alright. Let me show you this. See? Alright, now that's the end of what's inside Wednesday. Well, what's inside Monday? Sunday. I think it's Sunday. Alright, I'm putting this back in there. And what's inside? No one will know. Unless if they peek through this window. I see it. I see it! Alright, see you guys later. And don't forget to smack that like button and subscribe. Sorry, I need to figure out how to work my computer to get a intro. Alright, see you.